Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure, here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning to all students. Hello students, let's begin our today's session with the continuation of chapter number 6. Topic is conflict with the Mughals. So in this part, we will learn a very important event of Maratha history, that is the coronation ceremony of Shivaji Maharaj. Coronation means the crown ceremony. So students, the founding of the Maratha Swaraj involved relentless struggle for over 30 years. So Maharaj had to struggle a lot to get a huge Swaraj. So relentless here means constant and continuous struggle. So after such a long struggle and establishment of Swaraj, Shivaji Maharaj thought that it is the time when Swaraj should win the recognition as a sovereign independent state. So sovereign here means all powerful. For this purpose, a formal coronation ceremony was necessary. For this, on June 6, 1674, he had himself coronated at Raigad by Gaga Bhatt, who was a learned Pandit. So Maharaj ascended the throne of Swaraj and became the Chhatrapati. As a symbol of sovereignty, the Rajyabhishek Shaka or the coronation era was started. Maharaj became the founder of a new era. Why is it called so? Because in the preceding few decades, no Hindu king had been crowned as the Islamic rule had spread across India. On the occasion of the coronation, special coins were minted, like gold coins, which were called horns, and a copper coin called Shivarai. And these words were inscribed on those coins: Shri Raja Shiva Chhatrapati. And you can see in the picture also, it is written over here. Thereafter, all royal correspondence or Rajpatras had these words written on them. What were those words? Kshatriya Kula Vantasaham Sri Raja Shiva Chhatrapati. It means born in Kshatriya family. Rajya Vyavahara Kosha, a dictionary. A dictionary was prepared which was carrying the Sanskrit alternatives for Persian words. So it is known as Rajya Vyavahara Kosha. The coronation of Shivaji Maharaj was a revolutionary event in the history of medieval India. While explaining the importance of this event, Sabhasad, who was a contemporary chronicler, as we have discussed in the last session, he was a famous writer. What he wrote: it was no mean achievement for a Maratha king to become such a great Chhatrapati. No mean achievement here means that it was a great achievement of Shivaji. Second coronation on 24th September 1674. Shortly after this, on 24th September 1674, Shivaji Maharaj had his second coronation performed under the guidance of Nishchal Puri Goswami. See, there were two traditions of religious ceremonies in India. One was Vedic and the other was Tantric. So Maharaj honored both the traditions. It means he followed both the traditions and had two coronation ceremonies performed. Next is the campaign of South. 3 years after the coronation, in October 1677, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj undertook a campaign of the south. There he met, he went to Golconda and met Qutub Shah. He entered into a friendship treaty with him. Later, Maharaj won Bengaluru, Hoskote in Karnataka, Jinji, Vellore, etc. forts which are in today's Tamil Nadu. And you can see the picture of Jinji fort. And he also won some other territories of Adil Shahi. He appointed Raghunath Narayan Hanamante, the chief administrator, to look after these conquered territories of the south. Vyankoji, the half-brother of Shivaji Maharaj, was ruling at Tanjavur. So students, during his campaign in south, Shivaji Maharaj met his half-brother, which means step-brother, Vyankoji, who was ruling at Tanjavur at that time. Tanjavur is in Tamil Nadu state of India today. So what happened? That Sultan of Bijapur, Adil Shah, sent Vyankoji to invade Tanjavur. So Vyankoji defeated Alagiri and he made himself the king of Tanjavur. So Shivaji Maharaj tried to get him to participate in the activities of Swaraj. So after Vyankoji Raje, the rulers of Tanjavur encouraged art and learning. So the Saraswati Mahal library, there is world famous library. You can see in the picture. It is in Tamil Nadu. It's a very famous library. So in this campaign of South, Maharaj had annexed the fort of Jinji in Tamil Nadu to his Swaraj. Means he added that fort in his Swaraj. This proved to be a great importance in the later years. It means all his this victory or the annexation of these forts proved to be of great importance in the later year. How? When Mughal emperor stayed put in Maharashtra to destroy Swaraj, at that time the Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj had to leave Maharashtra for reasons of safety. At that time, he took shelter in this southern forts of Jinji and ran the administration of Swaraj from there. So Shivaji Maharaj's victory of Jinji fort helped the other rulers of Swaraj later on. So soon after the victorious campaign of the south, Shivaji Maharaj passed away in Raigad on 3rd April 1680. His death at the age of 50 was a great loss for Swaraj. With his death, a great era came to an end. And in this picture, you can see his Samadhi, which is in Raigad. So thank you, students. That's all for today.